Hi YouTubers, this is the Pagani design which I just got, and I'm just going to make a small review about it. And let's see, it looks this beautiful. So this is Pagani PD 1662 model, which is a gold, and it is a GMT. So yeah, you can see. It's nice, and the braces are nice. It got the design, Pagani design. So I've not yet opened it a lot. Really beautiful, and yeah, let's see what it says. The date, screw in, real slim. Uh, the box contains some cards and all, and with the adjusting equipment. You got the tag, Pagani tag. Yeah, real cool. Sapphire glass. Yep, that's the Pagani design. You can hear the clicks. Real cool.